this love, I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one.
Is your mom with you, or?
I like to see him try.
It's just me. Why?
I'm a madman for your touch, girl, I've lost control. I'm gonna make this last forever, don't tell me it's impossible.
I really don't feel it.
'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
Hi, man.
'Cause I love you for infinity.
Excuse me.
I love you for infinity.
Wow, I can't believe it's actually you. Can we get a picture? Yeah, of course. I can't believe it's Allison May. Allison, can I get a picture? Allison.
'Cause I love you for infinity. I love you for infinity.
Why are they taking pictures? You don't know who that is? That's Allison. She has like 25 million followers. So she's famous. She's a multi-millionaire. I can't believe you don't. Excuse me, Allison. Did you still want to try the dress on? Oh. Actually, I'm good. I just go to Forever 21, so it's the only place